Hi guys, today we're going to see how to rank your website on the Google search. Now let's say you have a website and you want to rank this website on the Google search results. But now when you search for it on Google, your site does not appear. Now how do you bring your website into the Google search results?
So in this video, we are going to see how to do SEO for your website and get your website to appear on the Google search results.
And in this video, we will also see how to rank your website for the search terms you want. Once your site appears on the Google search results, you will be able to get more visitors to your website for free. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's see how Google ranks a website on their search results. Now let's say you're searching for something on Google and you get results like this. Now how do these results show up here? What is Google looking for?
Google wants its users to find what they are looking for. It wants to show the best content to its users. So these results are here because Google thinks they will solve the problem of the user. So in order to rank your website on Google, we are going to do 3 parts. The first part is to create content which can rank on Google. So to create the content, the first step is to find what people are searching for. Now how do you find what people are searching for? So to do that, just go to Google. Now think what your business is about. Let's say you're running a coffee shop. Just enter that into Google. And as soon as you type it, you can find what people are searching for related to coffee shops. Now let's say you want to reach these people. To find more terms searched by them, just press the down arrow and select that keyword. And now, if you press space, you can find even more terms searched by the people. Now Google is showing these results because it has been searched by a good number of people. So once you find what people are searching for, next, you need to choose the people who you want to reach. So you can pick any set of users you want. I'm going to choose these users, the people who searched for the best coffee shops in Mumbai. So once you have selected your audience, next, you need to find out what this user might be looking for. So to find out what this user is looking for, you need to think about if someone searches for this, what exactly are they looking for? So in this case, the users are clearly trying to find the best coffee shops to visit in the Mumbai area. So once you find out what the user is looking for, we can go to the next step, which is to create content for this user. Now as Google wants its users to find what they are looking for, in order to rank on Google, you need to create content on your website which answers the user's question. So next, let's see how you can create the content. To create the content, let's go to our website. Now this is a site which I have built with WordPress. Now if you don't have a website, you can easily create one by watching this video. Now to create our content, let's go to New and click Post. And now it will take you to this page. Now first, we need to enter a title for our content. Now as we are creating content for the people looking for best coffee shops in Mumbai, let's enter the title as The Best Coffee Shops in Mumbai. Once you've entered your title, next, you need to add the content which answers our user's question. Now as the users are trying to find the best coffee shops in the Mumbai area, I'm going to list down the best coffee shops in Mumbai. Now once you have added your content, to make this content easy to read, let's add headings. So to add the heading, just select the text which you want as the heading and then click here and choose heading. The same way, we will do it for all the headings. Now, once you've added the headings, to make your post look more attractive, let's add images. So let's say you want to add this image. Just drag your image and drop it where you want to add it. And then we'll add another image here. And in the same way, you can add images under other headings. We have completed creating the content for our user. And we've successfully solved the user's question, which is, what are the best coffee shops in Mumbai? So once you've created your content, to publish it on the web, just click Publish. And the content will be published on your website. So let's see how it looks. To see your content, just click View Post. And as you can see, we have now got our blog post.
So this is how you can create content which can answer the user's question and can rank on Google. Once you have created the content, next let's go to the second part of this tutorial, which is to make your site look good when it appears on the Google search results.
So first, let's see how our site will appear on the Google search right now. So here it is. Our site is not yet ranked on Google. But if it ranks, this is how it will look. Now here you can see that we have got the title which we kept here. And here, Google shows the link of our page. And as you can see, this link is not very clear. Here you can see another site's link which is more clear. So next, let's see how you can make the link of your post look more attractive. So to make the link attractive, let's go here and click Dashboard. Now go to Settings and then click Permalinks. And now it will take you to this page. So this is the page where you can change how your links look like. Right now you can see that plain is selected, which means our link will be shown in this way. Now to make our link more attractive, all we have to do is just select post name and all your links will be changed to this format. So now, if we click Save Changes and then go to our post and click Refresh, you can see that our link has been changed. So now, when our site appears on Google, instead of appearing like this is how it will look. Now as we have the same search term used by the user here, it will help Google identify what our content is about and help it rank better on the search results. Okay, so now you know how you can control the title and the link. But what about this part, which is the description? Now here you can see that it shows a random text which is taken from our blog post. Now instead of this text, what if you want to put your own text like this, which looks more attractive? So next, let's see how you can add the description. Now WordPress by default does not have this feature. So in order to add our description, we need to install a plugin on our WordPress site. So to install the plugin, let's go to WordPress. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now search for SEO and you will get these plugins. Now to add our description, we are going to use this plugin. So let's click Install and click Activate. And as you can see, the plugin has been installed, which means we can now add our description. Now if we go to our post and scroll down, you can see that there are no options here. But now, if we click refresh, you can see that we have got these options from the plugin. And here, you can see how this post will appear on Google. Now to add your description, just click Edit. And here, you will be able to add your description. So here you need to enter the text which you want to show on Google. So I'm going to enter a short description about my content. And as you can see, this is the description which will appear on Google. Once you've entered your description, let's click Close. And now, to save your changes, just click Update. So now, when this post appears on Google, this is how it will look. So this will encourage more users to click on your link and then read your content. So this is how you can add the link, the title and the description for your content. Okay, so now we have successfully made our site look good on the Google search results. Now once you've published your content, how will Google know about your content? To help Google find your site and its content, we need to share our website details with Google. So next, let's go to the third part of the video where we see how you can tell Google about your website's content. So to tell Google about our content, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install the Google plugin on our website. So to install the plugin, let's go to our dashboard and then go to Plugins and click Add New. Now, search for a plugin called Google Site Kit. And you will get this plugin. So this is the plugin which is going to help us tell Google about our website. So to install this plugin, let's click Install and then click Activate. And as you can see, the Google plugin is now installed. And you can see this message here. Once you've installed the plugin, we can go to step 2, which is to set up the Google plugin. So to set it up, let's click Start Setup. And it will take you to this page. Now to set up the plugin, let's click Sign In. And then sign in to your Google account. Now click Allow. Now to complete the setup, just click Proceed. Then again click Allow. And then finally click Add Site. Okay, so now we have successfully set up our plugin. So now, if we click Go to My Dashboard, you can see that Google is now connected with our website. Once you have set up the Google plugin, you can now go to the final step, which is to tell Google about all the pages you have on your website. Now let's say you have published 10 blog posts on your site. Now how will Google find these posts? So to inform Google about your posts, we need to submit something called as a sitemap. So a sitemap is a page which has the links of all the pages and posts you have on your site. So to submit your sitemap to Google, first we need to get the sitemap from the SEO plugin which we installed before. So to get the sitemap, let's go to WordPress and click SEO. Now go to Features. Here you can see that we have an option called Sitemaps. Now to get the sitemap, just click this question mark and then click here. And as you can see, we've now got our sitemap, which has the links to all of the pages on our site. Now if we click Post Sitemap, you can see the link to all the posts that we've published on our site, including the one that we've published now. So submitting the sitemap to Google will help it find all the contents of your site easily. So to submit your sitemap to Google, first let's go back to the main sitemap page. And now, we need to submit the sitemap link to Google. So to submit the link, let's go to WordPress and then go to Google Sitekit and click Search Console. Now, click here to open the Search Console. And it will take you to this page. Now to submit your sitemap, just click Sitemaps. And here, you need to enter your sitemap link. So to get the link, let's go to our sitemap and then select this part. And then right-click and copy it. Now to paste the link, let's go back to this tab and then paste the link here. Now to submit the sitemap, just click Submit. And as you can see, our sitemap has been successfully submitted. So now, when you publish new content, it will be automatically added to your sitemap and will be recognized by Google. So this is how you can tell Google about the pages that you have on your website.
So now we've optimized a website for ranking on Google. So now if we go to Google, you can see that previously our website was not found.
Now if we click refresh,
you can see that our website has now started to appear on Google. So this is how you can get your website to appear on the Google search results.
Now in order to rank for the keyword you want, there are a few things you need to remember. It takes time for Google to find your content and then rank it for the correct search terms. So be patient while Google reviews your content. Remember that Google wants to show the best possible content to its visitors. So take a look at the competition and ensure your content has something new or better to offer to the visitors. Try to create content which is better than what the competition has to offer.
Okay, now you know how you can get your website to appear on the Google search results. But how do you know if your site is ranking on Google? How do you see the number of people who are coming to your website from Google? So to check if your content is ranking on Google, let's go to WordPress and click Sitekit.
Now as soon as you click it, here you will find a few important details. Now the first number here, which is called impressions, is the number of times your website has appeared on the Google search results. So here it says our website has appeared on Google search for 209 times in the last 28 days. So as you publish more and more new content, your site will get more impressions from different search terms. And this number will rise. And as this rises, the number of times people click on your website from the search results will also rise. So this is the number of times people have clicked on our website from the Google search results. Now if you want to see the search terms which your content is ranking for, just scroll down. And here you can see the search terms which people are using to find your site. Now, if you want to see how a particular blog post you wrote is doing on Google, just click here and then enter the title of your post and select it. Now if you click View Data, you can see the impressions and clicks this individual post has got on the Google search results. So this is how you can know which content you've published is ranking on Google and how many people are visiting your site from that content.
So that's it, guys. This is how you can optimize your website on Google and then make it appear on the Google search results. Now if you choose a search term for which the competitor's content is already very good, then you might find it difficult to rank your website for those search terms. In that case, you need to find keywords which are easy to rank for. So if you want to find low competition keywords for which you can easily rank for, you can watch this video. And if you want to see a full list of things you can do to improve your SEO, you can download our SEO checklist guide by clicking here. And also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.